Once you've built and published, it's time to run your data app. When you run an app, the data is basically launched through the app to be processed by all of the function blocks. Whether manually run or run according to a schedule, each run represents updated results for that point in time. Data apps are ran from the App Mission Control page. When the Run App button is clicked, you are automatically redirected to the Published view. The data app automatically processes the data, stopping only when interactive blocks require user prompting. In this case, the data app will buffer while it waits for user input. Once the inputs are given and saved, the app will continue through the blocks. From here, you can generate a share link and share the results of this particular run with anyone, whether they are registered with Intersect or not. Back on the App Mission Control, a history bank keeps track of every run instance. Each run is documented along with the account holder that carried out the run and the date and time of the run. This run log allows you to revisit previous runs and compare results either based on changes in the dataset or changes in the app itself. You might be wondering, what's the purpose of running an app repeatedly? In most cases, data apps are pulling datasets from an external database, and therefore a new run is required each time the dataset changes or updates. However, in some cases with static input datasets, running the app repeatedly can offer other value, such as identifying bugs within the app itself. If a run instance fails and an error is found, a red error symbol will show up in the run log. The error is identified in greater detail in the Published view. To find out more on how to automate this run process by scheduling your app to run on its own, check out the scheduling tutorial video.